Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SSO from Okta connected apps step by step clearly. To uninstall SSO from Okta connected apps, begin by navigating to your Okta admin dashboard. Log into your Okta admin account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Applications tab in the top menu. Click on the Applications option to access your connected apps. Search for the specific app from which you want to uninstall SSO. Select the app from the list to view its settings. Within the app settings, look for the General tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the SSO settings section. Here, you will see options related to SSO configuration. To disable SSO, look for the sign-on section and click on Edit. You may need to change the sign-on method to No SSO or a similar option. Save your changes once the sign-on method has been updated. After saving, return to the main application settings. To fully remove SSO, check for any additional settings related to authentication. If there are any additional configurations, ensure they are also adjusted to remove SSO capability. Once all settings have been updated, log out of the admin dashboard. Finally, verify the changes by attempting to access the app without SSO. This ensures that SSO has been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.